of the CAT institution, which is the best in the entire galaxy. We all as sons and daughters of TCC thank you for everything. This is for our father in general and our sir in particular. Sir, in the same planet in which you live, we have spent 20 to 21 years of our life learning a word known as perfect. Albeit, we never got an example of it until we met you. After landing one word by which we can describe you completely. We believe that this is not the end, it is just the start, a start to reach the tip of the iceberg. Rome was indeed not built in a day. These feelings and emotions were also not built in one day. On to our final words, we would like to conclude few things. Every person may have skills, but the PPC you showed us is priceless. Leaving any other teacher was never as difficult. In TCC, we have not just met our teacher, but also the mirror who made us acquainted up to ourselves. The mirror which we were afraid to look at once is the mirror which we are going to long for in every moment of our life henceforth. We thank you for all your special sessions and the journey of CCC. Joining TCC was difficult because of the discipline, but leaving it would take a gargantuan amount of courage to even think of leaving it. We love you, sir. Regards, afternoon batch.
The father knew he cannot enjoy the best of all worlds, and so he decided to give up everything and started to teach his children the concepts of life.
Special world record. The certificate is for Sir and Ma'am in particular, TCC in general, have jointly created a world record by changing the laws of nature and giving new birth to 400 children every year since AD 2000.
Any reason to come to TCC. From tomorrow, the clock will not stop ticking. At 10:30 a.m., there will not be anyone to say, "Let us begin." From tomorrow, the noon will pass by, but no one to say, so on that note, let's call it a day. From tomorrow, the earth will not stop rotating, but there will not be you to say, "Anybody game."
Expectations were high and emotion at its peak. Hustle and bustle was all around, intensifying the sensation, and the silence engulfed the environment because here entered the man of something. This marked the birth of the journey. Days went by, bringing with it plethora of love, care, respect.
Everything that you possibly could, and you stood by us without flinching. Learning from you was an experience which is more profound and paramount than education. One person we will idolize as a teacher, it would be no one else but you. Indebted to you forever and beyond.
1 year back in time, I feel I deserve a pat on my back. Because around this time, I took the best decision of my life. The decision to join TCC. This decision by far releasing us to that pot of gold. And moreover, for making us believe that the pot of gold was well in our reach. Thank you, sir, for showing us that pot of gold was just 6 steps away. Just 6. That 6 steps being 3 steps yours and 3 steps ours. That 3 steps necessarily being the pillars of TCC. That is PPC.
तकदीर से ज्यादा जिसने हालातों से लड़कर पाया, ठोकर खा खा कर भी जिसने हालातों के आगे ना सर झुकाया। सब कहते रहे समय है सबसे बलवान, लेकिन जिन्होंने इतिहास के पन्नों को बदल दिखाया। अपनों के लिए जिसने हर पल अपना खून पसीना बहाया। दूसरों के दुख और सुख में हमेशा अपना साथ निभाया और प्यार बरसाया। अंदर से मोम और बाहर से सख्त, जिसने अपने बच्चों के लिए खुद को बनाया। ज़मीर से ज़्यादा जिसने हमको चाहा। आभारी है हम अपने पिता के, जिसने हमारे को अपने से जोड़ के हमको संपूर्ण बनाया। कोटि कोटि प्रणाम।
विधाता की पहचान है, ये तो सच है कि भगवान है।
The journey started and it is coming to an end, but the everlasting memories will never fade away. The entire journey from POA 1S has been a roller coaster that has gone notches up with every single class. Every class more and more enlightening and more magical. So not only have you been a guiding light for us, but also a saving grace for most of us. So you came into our life as a mirror, showing us as the reality of what we are and what we have done to ourselves. Today, when our journey began, we could not have imagined that we would be able to sit still in one place without moving, without fidgeting, without using it, because of the intensity of the session and also because of the constant reality checks is unprecedented. It is an astonishing state of events. We were startled out of our wits when we realized that even though we had never met, you knew all of us. It was truly remarkable, sir. You have held our hand throughout, and you have made sure that we have in our armor all the lessons that we need, the teachings that we need, and all your blessings with us for a time immemorial.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। पूरा विश्वास, पूरा विश्वास, আমরা করব জয় একদিন।
Grossly unaware of the magic that was in store for us. The magic was spoon feed, nay bottle feed to us. And all we had to do was keep it on the tip of our grey cells. It is a fact that life on earth is tough, but thanks to you, sir, you made it a cakewalk for all of us.
इस दिन से सर आपने बेटा कहकर पुकारा, अपने आप पर गर्व महसूस होने लगा। आपने हमें बहुत ही बारीकी से सही और गलत का फर्क समझाया। हम आगे चलकर कुछ बन पाए या नहीं, आपने अच्छा इंसान जरूर बना दिया है। आपने हमें हमारे जीवन में आने वाले चुनौतियों का सामना करने के लिए पूरी तरह तैयार कर दिया है। और यह भी सही है, गुरु गोविंद दो करे काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताया।
Throughout the journey, you taught us that Rome was not built in a day, to have faith in the gestation period, and that nothing will fall from the sky. We will promise we will not let our teachers hire a bus for the last moment in any part of our life from now on. You made us aware of all the possible problems we are going to face in our way to success. Thank you for giving us a hope that the stone will break one day. Thank you for being such a wonderful teacher and sharing life-changing stories. Stories which were not just stories but emotions.
Happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're blessed and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're grateful and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray!
Being a father discipline, being a mentor teaching the universe. Sir, you are beautifully amazing. Those humorous classes, those serious special sessions, and the tete-a-tete are drilled with host of memories and happiness. We are going to badly miss the motivations you gave to us through the special sessions. Thank you for understanding without saying, sir. Thank you for knowing us more than we knew ourselves. Thank you for being the fantabulistic person you are.
First day when I entered TCC, I had no clue what was lying ahead of me. It has been nothing less than a life-changing experience for me. So, I remember an incident that happened last year when you had come to our university. A few TCC alumni were into tears when they saw you there and you told me that I won't understand this emotion right now. But a year later and today as that day arrives, TCC is more than an emotion, more than a feeling. TCC is home. TCC is family.
You will always be the person I respect the most. A certain feeling of bliss whenever you said, "Bullseye, good shot." Those two words always motivated me to perform better in your class. You have inspired us in all possible ways.
तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवारा, तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही।
Two approaches. It seems we all chose the none approach and did not care about the all one. But the world at last chooses the third way out, rather the easiest way out, the elimination. And that is how the world works at last.
We enjoyed each and every class in this institute to our heart's content. This institute has given us memories which will be cherished forever. From tomorrow, things will not be. No more live and exclusive customizations for each one of us. Thank you is not enough for the efforts that you have put in for us. We really love you, sir, and we will miss you. So,
this will never come back, and that's what makes it so very special. Throughout the journey, many thoughts crisscrossed your mind. तो है आपको सुनाते हैं। ऐ खुदा मुझको बता, तू रहता कहाँ क्या तेरा पता, हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं, जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता। TCC एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना।
We have had several journeys, पर अस्पताल तो TCC वाली ही है. You took us from scratch to cap plus level at the brink of the culmination of the journey based on your whims and fancies. We can safely tom that we have been to school.
सक्सेस का कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं, ये सच है, झूठ नहीं। डिटर्मिनेशन, डेडिकेशन, डिसिप्लिन। डिटर्मिनेशन, डेडिकेशन, डिसिप्लिन, ये किस्मत लिखने के औजार है, कुछ और नहीं। टूट टूट कर जुड़ना, गिर गिर कर उठना, टूट टूट कर जुड़ना, गिर गिर कर उठना, सर आपने सिखाया, किसी और ने नहीं। He said, a father teaches you to speak, but a father figure teaches you to talk. A father teaches you to walk, but a father figure teaches you to march on. A father gives you a name, but a father figure gives you an identity. So you are a father figure, a person whose lessons will always hold our hand and will always be instilled in our heart forever. Thank you, sir. Thanks for everything.
TCC being a universal set, realized it months after we met. Being taught that PPC was not easy to get, you always emphasized on the importance of crystal clear concepts.
We thank you, sir, most graciously. These words we can say aloud, for the clarity you have given us has made us feel proud. Thank you, sir.
show, TCC presents the power of crystal clear concepts. Our TCC team in a small box. TCC, Sir, Ma'am, us and the TCC team.
इस TCC की माटी में जो खुशबू है कहाँ मिलेगी, वो किलकारी और खुशी शायद जीवन में नहीं मिलेगी। POA 1M से क्लास कैट क्लास तक हम सब ने मौज उड़ाई है, हम सब होंगे दूर दूर, ये सोच आंख भर आई है। And at the last, माना कि जोश जवानी का अंदाज जुदा होता है, माना कि जोश जवानी का अंदाज जुदा होता है, लेकिन इस धरती पे गुरु ही साक्षात खुदा होता है।
We can, we will, we have to, we have
Because our dreams are never are alone. You will always have an impact. Thank you so much, sir.
तुम लेना साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवा